So these are two of our dogs, Boris and Titan. We are out biking, and we always come to this area of the park. It's kind of enclosed. There's a ridge that people walk, bike, etc. Up here, a little lake behind us that we can't go in, unfortunately. But anyhow, our guys love to be off leash. This is where e-collar is so great, because even though we rarely have to use it, if there was like dog running over here or people walking by and we wanted our guys to come near us, we have the ability to get them back, even if there's something that is more interesting to them than us. A lot of times you can have recall with your dog, but if they see something they'd rather do, then there is no treat in the world that's going to get them to come. But e-collar is pretty much a guarantee that with just a little tap, typically, they're going to come back to you even if they don't want to. And if the tap doesn't work, you can increase the stimulation and they will turn and come. So it's such an awesome way to have your dogs be able to be free, run around, and not worry about not being able to get them to come back. So Titan, let's go. Good boy. Let's go. Atta boy. Good job.
Sit. Sit.
It's also good for compliance too. So Haven's asking Titan to sit and he's not. No, sit. There we go. Good job, bud. So just a little tap on a low level and it's just a motivator. So it's not harsh. It doesn't hurt them. It's just like a little tap on the shoulder saying, hey, I asked you to do something. I need you to do it. So it is, when it comes down to it, like if there was something serious, they were heading toward the street or whatever the case is, you see a off-leash dog that looks unsavory, whatever the case, it's nice to not have to worry. Happy dogs.